deliver superior and intricate switches, we deployed precision testing equipment from the LLDP PoE tester, the Keysight 86100D auto tuner, to the Keysight 13G DDR4 testing scope. To uphold the highest standard of wireless quality, each wireless access point will be subject to rigorous testing from radio subsystem verification to digital system validation, and finally, conductive range over rate testing. By establishing an on-site EMC test lab, Accton is able to standardize product EMC performance in regards to conducted or radiated radio interference from other electronics. As a trusted partner to various businesses around the world, we are able to provide wireless technology suitable for hazardous environments, utilizing thermal chambers to simulate sub-zero temperatures or extreme heat. Accton continues to expand its resources to develop newer technology from 11AC of the past to 11AX of the future. We have acquired state-of-the-art antenna labs to maximize radio performance and the latest technologies for thorough data analyses. Antenna designs are developed and tested with high-precision prototyping tools to ensure flawless interaction with hosts and client devices. When a product undergoes the manufacturing process, it is further inspected to certify it meets Accton's highest quality standards. From our automated assembly line, we're able to maximize productivity and meet the most challenging of demands.